Hello everyone. Now for the next drawing we have made Doraemon, who is our favorite cartoon, and for this Doraemon there is a scared expression on his face. Now we can see that we continue to make the body of Doraemon, including his bell and his pocket and his belt, and you can see that we have detailed the entire drawing with great precision, and there is also a star on Doraemon's chest. Now as you can see, we have almost completed it, and we just add the detailing and also of course the shoes, and we have also added a hat to give it more effect. Now all that's left to do is to color Doraemon. Now as you can know that Doraemon is blue in color, so we color his body with the color blue, and then we do it very nicely so that it looks good. And for the nose we have used a red color, and of course for the mouth we also used a red color, and then we have used tongue orange color, and then for his cap we have used a mustard yellow color, and also for his cape. Now you can see that we have also used a lemon yellow color, and we have made the belt with shades of brown, and we have to color all this very beautifully, and we are all done. Now, for the next drawing, we make a crocodile, and the crocodile is not empty-handed. It has a beautiful guitar with it, and as you can see, that we have made the body of the crocodile, and now we go on to make the guitar. And as you can see, you have to make the guitar very carefully because we are making a very tiny guitar. And as you can see, we have detailed it very properly. So try to replicate the same. And we have made the body, and now we make the surroundings of the crocodile. Now the crocodile also has a shake with it, so we can assume that it is a summer day. Now we have made the scenery around it and also colored the glasses of the crocodile. Now as I mentioned before, it is a sunny day, so we have used the appropriate colors to make the viewers know that it is a summer day. And for the scenery, we have outlined the scenery with a cloud and with the sea behind it. So the clouds are grey in color and the sea is of course blue in color. Now for the grass, we will use a color green, but before that, to make the sea look more beautiful, we have also used a darker shade of blue, and we have used colors red and yellow on the hat. And as we know, crocodiles are green in color, so we color the crocodile with a dark shade of green, and we do it properly so that it looks good. And we have also left some space for the highlighting part where we color the lighter shade of green. And for the inside part, we have colored it with the color yellow, and we have used the colors orange and yellow for the guitar. And for the milkshake, we can use colors like purple and yellow. And for the grass, instead of using green as usual, we have used yellow because it is a summer day, so the grass looks more of a yellow in color. So it is done. We're all done.